What if I told you that waiting just 10 years to start investing will cost you more money than your entire debt combined? Today I'm showing you the math, and it is going to shock you. $50 a month, invested starting today, at a 7% average return over 30 years, you end up with over $60,000. Wait 10 years to start, you end up with less than half that. Same $50, same effort, half the money. That's the cost of waiting. You don't need thousands. Open your employer's 401k and contribute just enough to get the full employer match. That is free money. Literally free. Never leave free money on the table. Here's your complete action plan. 1. Stop paying minimums. Pay double. 2. Budget with the 50-30-20 rule. 3. Save your $1,000 emergency fund. 4. Freeze your lifestyle when your income grows. 5. Start investing now, even $50 a month. None of this is complicated, but most people won't do it. And that's exactly why most people stay broke. You're watching this because you refuse to be one of them. Subscribe to Refuse to Be Broke for a new money video every single week, and grab the full Side Hustle ebook. In the description it shows you exactly how to earn an extra $500 to $2,000 a month to throw straight at your debt. Link below.